Hello dear students, welcome to e-learning classes of P.N.AMERSEY High School. Today we are going to discuss about nuggets from the Northeast and the India tour bus. Now students, let us begin with our first topic, nuggets from the Northeast. India is a land of great natural beauty. The 8 states of the Northeast comprise the most untouched natural beauty of the country with a wealth of biodiversity and some amazing cultures and traditions. How well do you know this beautiful corner of our country? Test your knowledge. Here students, India is a land of great natural beauty. India is a very beautiful country in which the 8 states of Northeast are called the most untouched natural beauty of the country. Now students, have a look at and know about this beautiful corner of our country. Number 1. Till 1975, the Northeast consisted of only the states known as the Seven Sisters. Name the state that remained independent in 1947 but chose to merge with India after a national referendum in 1975, becoming the 22nd state in the country and the 8th state of the Northeast. Students, here referendum means a vote in which all the people of the country or an area asked to give the opinion. Students, here we have to state the name of the 8th state of the Northeast and the 22nd state of the country which remained independent in 1947. The name of the state is Sikkim. Second, did you know that each of the states in this landlocked region shares international borders with one or more of India's neighboring countries? What is the official name of the narrow strip of land popularly known as chicken snack that joins Northeast with the East? Here students, do you know that the states which are landlocked, they share their borders with the international borders with one or more of the Indian neighboring countries, and that narrow strip is known as the chicken snack which joins Northeast with the East. The name of it is Siliguri Corridor. Third one, name the pass connecting India to Tibet that was sealed by India in 1962, opening only in 2006, while travel restrictions allow Indian citizens to cross on specific days. The pass has reduced the travel time to Lake Mansarovar. Students, here we have to name the pass which is connecting India to Tibet, which was sealed by India in 1962. The name of that pass is Nathula. Fourth one, till 1963, Northeast India consisted of Assam and 2 princely states. One was Manipur. Name the other state which is home to the largest museum in Northeast, namely Ujjanta Palace. Here students, we have to name the state which is in Assam, and Assam is made of 2 princely states. The name of one is Manipur, and we have to state the other name in which there is a largest museum called Ujjanta Palace. The name of the state is Tripura. Fifth one, 2 states of the Northeast are among the highest ranked in India according to literacy rates. One is Tripura. Name the other which was carved out of Assam as a union territory in 1972 and awarded statehood in 1987. Students, here 2 states are there in Northeast which is the highest literacy rate. The name of one state is Tripura. We have to name the other state. The name of the other state is Mizoram. Now sixth one, Tripura has 3 official languages, English, Bengali and a third which is the ancient language of Tripuri. Name this language once written in the last Koloma script which now use the Roman and Bengali script. Students, Tripura has 3 official language. One is English and second is Bengali. We have to name the third language which is the ancient language of the Tripuri. The name of that language is Kok Borok. Seventh one, the main language of the state is Meitei, which is the language of the largest ethnic group. The state is India's gateway to the east, being the land route for trade with Burma and all the Southeast Asia. Name the state where the modern game of polo originated. We have to name the state where the game polo was originated, and its main language is Meitei, and it's in India's gateway to the east. The name of the state is Manipur. Eighth one, Manipuri dance is one of the major Indian classical dance forms with roots in the ancient Sanskrit text Natya Shastra. It has the female dancers wearing the traditional bridal costume known as potloi. What is the other name by which this dance form is known? Students, the major Indian classical dance form is Manipuri dance. Its roots is the ancient Sanskrit text Natya Shastra, where female dancers wears traditional bridal costume known as potloi, and the other name for this dance form is jagoi. Ninth one, this state lies in the easternmost part of India and is known as the land of the dawn-lit mountains. Name this state formed in 1987 that has its international border, the McMahon Line, named after the Britishers who proposed it at the 1914 Simla Convention. Here students, we have to name the state which lies in the eastmost part of India and is known as the land of dawn-lit mountains. The name of the state is Arunachal Pradesh. 10th one, this state was created in 1972 out of the United Khasi Hills and Jenshia Hills and the Garo Hills. Its capital, once capital of undivided Assam, is home to the chamber choir that won India's Got Talent. Name the state that has three official language Khasi, Garo and Panar. Here students, we have to give the name of the state which is three official language Khasi, Garo and Panar, and who has won the India's Got Talent. The name of the state is Meghalaya. 11th, once called Kamrup, it was ruled by the Ahom dynasty for nearly 600 years. It is the largest and the smallest river island in the world, Majoli and Umnanda. Name this state where the classical dance form Satriya originated. Here students, we have to name the state whose original name was Kamrup and was ruled by Ahom dynasty for nearly 600 years. And it consists of largest and smallest river named Majoli and Umnanda. The name of the state is Assam. 12th one. Formed in 1963, it boasts a diversity of tribes, each with its own festivals, leading to the sobriquet land of festivals. Name this state which hosts the unique Hornbill Festival. Here we have to name the state which was formed in 1963, which has a boost on diversity of tribes, and the state which hosts the unique Hornbill Festival. The name of the state is Nagaland. Now students, our next topic is the Indian tour bus. Tour means a journey or all around a particular place or an area. India is so large and so diverse that one never runs out of places to visit, sights to enjoy or things to learn. How many of these famous tourist destinations and attractions of India do you know about? If there are some you have not visited, make sure you do someday. Students, India is so large and diverse that we cannot think that we run out of the places to visit. So here are the few famous tourist destinations. The very first one. A sundial is a clock that tells time using the sun's position in the sky. 5 huge sundials were built by Maharaja Jai Singh II of Jaipur in Jaipur, New Delhi, Ujjain, Mathura and Varanasi in the 18th century. What common name are they known by? Students, you can see here, this is a picture of a sundial. Is a clock which tells us time using sun's position. And these were built by Maharaja Jai Singh II. He's built these 5 huge sundials in Jaipur, New Delhi, Ujjain, Mathura and Varanasi. They all are known as Jantar Mantar. Second one, this forest and wildlife sanctuary in South Gujarat is important because it is the only place where the lions can be found in the wild in Asia. Even apart from the lion, this sanctuary is home to numerous plants like teak, jamun, bear, babul and animals like bears, leopards, cobras and jackals. Students, this is a forest and a wildlife sanctuary in South Gujarat. You must all have known it, where we can find lions. And even apart from this, from lion, the sanctuary is home to numerous plants and animals. The answer is Gir Forest National Park. Third one, this temple named after the town where it is situated. It is near Puri in Odisha. The temple is built like a giant chariot of the sun god being drawn by 7 horses. Students, here the name of the temple is after its town and it looks like a giant chariot. Here you can see it's look like a giant chariot of sun god which is driven by the 7 horses. The name of the temple is Konark Sun Temple. Fourth one, in the middle of high mountains. This is one of the most remote region in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The climate here is very harsh, but the scenic beauty of the place is world famous. The most important city here is Leh. Students, this is in the middle of the high mountains. It's a most remote region, means it's very difficult to connect here. So it is in the state of Jammu and Kashmir and the climate here is very harsh, but it has a very beautiful sceneries, and here an important city is there whose name is Leh. The answer is Ladakh. Most of the world's Indian rhinoceros are in this national park in Assam. However, it also homes to many other important animal and bird species like the water buffalo, Royal Bengal tiger, Indian elephant and many species of storks and vultures. Students, here this is the place where Indian rhinoceros are there and it's a national park in Assam. The name of the national park is Kaziranga National Park. Next, this old city on the banks of the river Vaigai in Tamil Nadu was the capital of many kingdoms in the past and is a center of culture. It is known as the city of temples, the Meenakshi Amman temple being the most famous one. Here students, this is a city which is known for temples and it was the capital of many kingdoms in the past. The name of the city is Madurai. Next, this was a prison in Port Blair in the Andaman and Nicobar Island during the British rule. Many brave freedom fighters were locked up by the British for their struggles for Indian independence. It is now a national memorial. What is it called? Students, this was a prison in Port Blair. Prison means jail, and many brave freedom fighters were locked in that prison during the struggles for Indian independence, and now it's known as National Memorial. It is called Cellular Jail. Last one, in Shimoga district in Karnataka, the river Varahi tumbles down from a height of 455 meters, making it the highest waterfall in India. Can you name it? Students, the highest waterfalls in India are called Kanchikal Falls. Students, with this we end our video. Thank you.